Hey guys, Steven here, and today it's finally time for another lot unboxing, and I've finally got a new package today. It arrived today, and ooh, it's so heavy. Just kidding. But it's very big. And I will. So yeah, now you can see it. I don't want to show you my address. Yeah, it's very big, as you can see, and yeah, it arrived today, and now we will open it and see what's inside. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there's a lot of newspapers in there. I'll get everything out. Okay, so I think we will start off with this thing here, or we'll put that aside. Okay, so there we have, looks like we have a launcher grip, but it's from Best General. Oh, nice, we have some pretty cool launchers here. Wait, I will do that. Okay, so we have a green one and a blue one, and both of them are translucent, and the yellow one also translucent. Something with weird tape on it. I don't know how that came on that thing. A red launcher and a blue launcher and another blue launcher. And an old school plastic gen launcher grip in yellow, and it says top super hand on it. Probably fake. You can also not open it down there, so yeah, but I'll put that aside. Then we'll probably I will just open that. Ooh, nice. We have some extra things here. We have, wow, check that out. It's how's it called? Draco spin or whatever, and some stickers and another fake Beyblade. Can you actually deassemble that thing? No, I don't think so. This is weird. And some extra parts and a metal tip. Okay. Then we will do that here next. And oh, check that out, guys. We have ripcords, long ripcords. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Check that out, guys. How long this HMS launcher ripcord is. Wow, that's so freaking awesome. Wait a second. Oh, and here's my HMS launcher. I have my box with my base right behind me. So yeah, and some other stuff. So I'll just put that in. Holy flubber nugget! Oh my gosh! Check that out. How? Oh my gosh, that's so awesome! It has like yin and yang symbols there, and wings, and wow, this thing is so awesome! Oh god. I think I will just do this for now. It's my custom Weber and DJ here, my partner combo for HMS. And it's a Tricio picture, so we'll do a test with that. That's so cool. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, that's so much better! Oh god, that's so awesome! Check that out, it's so much longer, as you can see. It's so cool. I like that. And we also have another long ripcord here. Wow, that's so long. It's fake, but I don't care. Oh god, this thing is so awesome. Okay. So, what do we have next? Let's see. Aren't there any bases in there? Newspaper everywhere. I don't want more newspaper. Give me my base. Newspaper and... Whoa, guys, check that out. We have base in there. Some base. Finally, after 10,000 newspapers. Oh god. Okay, so what do we have here? We have Storm Pegasus 105 RF, and it looks pretty dirty and doesn't look good here. That's kind of, there's, I don't know if you can see that. The tip is broken. Let's see if it's broken inside too. Yeah, broken. Whoa, this Pegasus is in bad condition. Then we have Flame Sagittario. Where's the tip? Here's the tip. Is it? No, it's not on now. Wait, I don't get it. Okay, so it's on, but it's pulled off again. No, wait, I have to see that. Guys, check that out. Broken. Damn it. Broken there. Another broken Beyblade. Holy crap. Broken too. But I think that's okay. Let's see. Oh, God. Oh, is the other Beyblade from the pack. That's Storm Leon 100F. HF. No, please not. No, no, no. You just are not. You know, no, no. Damn it. I just saw with my eagle eyes that, come on. What's wrong with you? Broken again. Tip broken, but I think I can fix that with glue. But we have something rare here, and it is Earth Eagle. Finally, something that's not broken. Hopefully, wait, I'll have to check that. Let's see. So tip is okay. That's okay. This thing is perfectly fine. Awesome. And when I actually saw that on the photo, but I never saw that those plates are broken. So yeah, but I checked the price a couple of days ago, and used price is 70 euros. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot for a used Earth Eagle. This Earth Eagle's in a very good condition. Wow. That's. I have a rare bay, awesome. And we have Cyber Pegasus 100 HF. Yay, that's awesome. Like it has the metal face and it's shiny and it's worn down and the tip is okay. Except for the color there, the paints that chipped off, it's actually fine. I have to. Oh, yeah, it's very. The face is also very good. It's very tight. It's good, and then it doesn't wobble like my other face from my other side face. And if you have something to trade, this thing is probably for trade. So yeah. And then we have a Rock Orso with golden paws. Yay! That looks so cool. Rock Orso with golden paws. And the D125B, and the D125 is green and translucent, and so wait, that's blue paint. Damn it. But I don't care about this blue paint. I just like this Orso. I like it so much. So awesome. And what do you else have here? Wow! Oh my gosh, it's a Rock Pegasus! Rock Pegasus! Oh my gosh, that's so cool! Check that out. It has like, it's orange, it's brown, it's orange, it's brown, and it has a WD. So it's cool. I guess. And then we also have this guy here. It looks amazing too. That's Flame Ares H145 FS and has green paint on there for some reason, but the FS looks okay. Can you see that actually? Oh god, damn it. Yeah, it looks great. So except for some painting thingies there, and for the broken stuff there, everything looks okay. So yeah, I think that's everything for this video. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.